Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that's happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Well, the fish weren't biting out there, that's for sure. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 39, NASDAQ up 14, S&P's flat, gold contract up $1.90 at $12.6680 an ounce. Silver down 6 cents, $16 an ounce. Both gold and silver, folks, need a bid. Bottom line, no action out here. Copper up $0.015 after being down 13 cents yesterday. $2.93 a pound. Light sweet crude, that got whacked. That's down $1.68, trading $55.94 a barrel. Notes and bonds just continue to want higher price. If we take a look at their yields out here, you had the 10-year up 7 ticks, 30-year up 9 ticks. We take a look at the yields, what you're going to see, the 10-year right now is at 2.3. That is right in the middle of the range for the last year. When I say the last year, the last 12 months, folks. So the low of the last 12 months has been 2.03, the high 2.62, and right now we're at 2.33. That's on the 10. We take a look at the 30, what you're going to see, we're at 2.72. And if we take a look at this, this is where this really gets interesting. So the low in the 30 for the last year is 2.65. The high is 3.2. And you can see when you're taking a look at that is that we are at the lower end for the last 12 months, where the 10-year is in the middle. And what that's all about, that's a flattening the yield curve, folks. You know, it just... We'll see how this shakes out. What we don't want to see is a curve that actually, let me go back here, that will actually invert. Because if you get a curve that inverts, if I go to the 2-year for a second, look at the 2-year, what you're going to see, the 2-year is at 1.8. That is at the highs for the year. Actually, 1 second, hold on. Yeah, that's at the highs for the year. So the 2-year, the low for the year is 1. The high is 1.8. Now, this is what ends up happening. This is what the danger point is that if we get an inverted curve, meaning that the smaller time frame goes over the larger time frame, then I heard the stat out here today from an analyst on Bloomberg. What the stat is there is that that's about a year and a half prior to a recession. So that's something we're going to be watching. I like the idea that when you get an inverted curve, that you know it's basically a year and a half out. So we'll see where that shakes out. Some of the higher volume stocks out here today in this market, inside the S&P, you had General Electric, that's down another 10 cents. That's trading $17.66. That continues to get into lower price. Apple was down 63 cents, $1.69, 169. You had Facebook up $3.23, trading 176. U.S. Steel up 128, trading $31.11. Let's go take a look at X at U.S. Steel, see what that bid is all about. So U.S. Steel last 6 months goes from $20 to $31. We put this up in a couple. I see. So this is just going into the downdraft that was created out here in April. U.S. Steel went from 32 to 21 in a week. You're coming back up to that level. That level, by the way, is ice. It's exact $32.14 would be the number. We got to a price point today of $32.16. Oh, this is going to be a great one to watch because you're not going to get the volume, that's for sure. Thus far in the U.S. Steel This week we've done 37 million. You're going into 227 million, so big number. Amazon, the king dog out here. Amazon today was up 10.78. You're trading 11.52. Google, we go take a look at Google. Google right now up $13, 1,018, and coming into the close. This is interesting. Google failed. So you had the high of yesterday, which is 1,020. You did 2 million shares. You get over the high. You closed underneath it. You did 1.2 million. That says Google wants lower price. Pretty amazing. Some of the Dow stocks out here. Today we had Caterpillar was up 20 cents. You had Boeing up 2.73. Citigroup was down $1.10. You had Disney off 176. IBM was down 125. You had Procter & Gamble down 15. Let's go over and take a look at Disney. So Disney has been highly volatile lately. What that's all about is that who are they going to sell their, who are they going to buy, or are they going to buy Fox Studio, 21st Century Fox. On Monday, Disney got all the way up to 112. You're trading 105 right now. It had light volume, but it looks like 103 is going to be game. That's the way that's set up right now. The SMHs, they continue to have a hard time holding price. SMH is closed up 22 cents, $97.49. That's off the highs of $105. We go take a look at the XLE after the oil market got smoked out here. The XLE came down 90 cents, trading $68.45. This also is in the lower range, got back inside the lower range today. That sets up the lower swing point of $66.34, and I expect you're going to see that get hit. If we go look at ExxonMobil, ExxonMobil came down 61 cents. Chevron came down 78. Chevron looks like it's also inside. Yeah, once it got back inside 120.89, that sets up what Chevron has, folks. Chevron has this monster high volume low laying out here at a price point of 112.57. I expect that's going to get hit. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some more numbers for you. We had the Dow Industrials finish down 39. NASDAQ was up 14. S&Ps were flat. Coming right back, folks.